What is your favorite part of KIT?
It's the students. Yeah. No, it's the students. It's like the milieu, the environment here. Like getting to know a lot of different people and being kind of close to them, seeing what they work with and stuff like that.
We have a super interesting student body here at KIT. I mean, we have two programs, the MA program, which is an international master program in finance, and then we have a bachelor which is based on a Scandinavian student body.
We're a very small school compared to other academies, so the fact that you actually know everyone is amazing. Everyone knows everyone and everyone talks to everyone, so it doesn't really matter if you're a first-year bachelor or a second-year master. It's not divided.
This creates a very dynamic student environment, educating them to become peers at the same time developing their own practices. So this sort of international/intimate environment of artistic learning, I think that's special for KIT.
Like this is a great space. Like the studios are big. That's great.
And thus, you would expect to develop your practice not only, but foremost, on your own interests and fascination and questions, but also in relation and reflecting the context around you.
You as an artist don't necessarily have all the skills required to finish your projects. You can send an email and someone who's actually specialized in this specific area can give you some references or is actually interested in helping you finish your project.
So also what I think is really interesting with this international master program is that you don't have to have this fine arts background. You can get accepted on other terms.
This would be definitely my reason if I was a student now to apply for Trondheim. Come visit us, experience the unique environment.
The snow is fantastic.